Alzheimer's is the most common form of dementia. Dementia is caused by the damage or loss of nerve cells to the connection of the brain. Alzheimer's normally results in memory loss or loss of other cognitive abilities. I worked with many Alzheimer's patients throughout working in home instead, and I had a client who once thought she was 20 years old and she was in her late 60s. I also had another client who couldn't follow demands. There are a lot of common misconceptions of Alzheimer's. One of those is old age. You get old age. Majority of Alzheimer clients have or are old age, but there is a condition called early onset Alzheimer's disease, and that could be anybody who's 65 and younger, and actually 200,000 Americans have it. There are 7 stages that we recognize. The first one would be no impairment. So this stage, you don't really recognize anything, and a lot of stuff is blamed on old age. The second stage is very mild decline. So at this point, you start seeing this misplacing things, and a lot like the last stage, it's blamed on old age. The third one is mild decline. Others may notice cognitive problems like forgetfulness. They start to misplace their words, and they are no longer able to organize things as much, and they commonly forget names. The moderate decline is stage 4. These have more clear-cut symptoms. They have difficulty with simple problems like short-term memory. They forget their breakfast. They aren't able to manage their money, and they forget details of their life, which is really sad, actually. The stage 5 is moderate severe decline. May need help with many day-to-day activities, so that's the majority of my clients that I worked with. I would have to help them around the house and get dressed in the morning. Stage 6 is severe decline. This is they start need supervision and frequent care, and at this point they need help going to the bathroom, showering, everyday activities. And then stage 7 is the very severe decline. At this point, it's a terminal illness and normally leads to death. And during this stage, people can lose the ability to swallow, which is really scary as well.